In this video, I'll teach you how to screenshot in Windows. The print screen key in Windows 11 has changed. Now if you hit the print screen key, what it will do is actually open up the snipping tool. So if you want to actually do a print screen like you would have done in the past using the print screen key, you have to hit Windows print screen and your screen will flash. Or you can hit Fn+Windows+Space, and that also works in lieu of a print screen key if your keyboard doesn't have one. You can, if you want to, then change the functionality of that print screen key to not open up the snipping tool. Go into Settings, search for Print Screen, then select it, and at the bottom you'll see that there is a Use Print Screen key to open up screen capture. And when you disable that, now the print screen key will no longer open up the snipping tool. And where the print screen screens will save to is in the Screenshots folder. So here you can see that I have all my print screens saved into the folder as expected.